What's up, guys? It is Burge Builds Bricks here, just to thank you guys for getting my YouTube channel to 52 subscribers, guys. And that Home Alone house is almost at 500 views, guys. Thank you for that very much. So, from the part that my mom and dad took out of my next Lego, I got the Lego Technic green Lamborghini. And it has 806 pieces, and it's a 9+ Lego. So I think we're ready to get building, guys. But thank you again for getting my YouTube channel to 52 subscribers. Let's get to 75. Alright, guys, this is the finished product of bag 1. And that was actually a pretty long bag. I can't lie, guys. But I'm ready to move on to bag 2. After bag 2 is one more bag. So let's get on to bag 2. Finished product of bag 2. So let's get on to our last bag. Alright, guys, this is the finished product of the Lego Technic Lamborghini car. So the back here is the pistons on the back. And then the hood is right here. And then the wheels can turn left and right. And let me show you guys a closer up view now of the pistons moving back and forth. And these doors can open like this. And yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it for the Lego Technic Lamborghini. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you again for getting me to 52 subscribers. Let's reach for 75. Keep on building. Burge out.